Hi, this is Arpin Nagaria from Tricentis. Today we are going to learn perform basic operation in Tosca REST API. So if you want to access your workspace with the help of Tosca REST API calls, you can access it. If you want to create a test case, a requirement, a test sheet in a particular folder, you can also create it. How you can create it? So in Tosca, every object has its unique ID. So there is a command, so you need to fire in your Tosca REST API calls. So with the unique ID and proper workspace name and proper command, you can create your object in Tosca REST API with the help of Tosca REST API calls. So if you want to access your Tosca REST API, you need to have Tosca server installed. So I quickly jump to my Tosca server. So this is my Tosca server installed locally. If you have your Tosca server in your any of the machine servers, so you need to have give those IP address of this machine and the port number. So this is my basic calls. So if you want to access my workspace, which is there in my Tosca projects, so I give the command as get workspaces. So this is all the workspaces till date which I created in my Tosca projects folder. So if you want to access the meta info of your any of the workspace, so just this is a command. So it will fetch all the meta info of your workspace. So it is loading. And while accessing through your workspaces with Tosca REST API, make sure that your Tosca commander is closed because you are accessing through REST API. So this is the meta info of my one workspace. So now I want to show you how you can create the objects in Tosca workspace. So I quickly jump to Tosca. This is my workspace. So I created a folder called test and I want to create the test case beneath this test folder. So this is my unique ID of this folder. So I copied it and pasted it in my notepad. So this is a command to create a folder or an object in your workspace with the help of Tosca REST API call. So I copied it and I closed Tosca. So if I fire a command, this command in Tosca server with the help of Tosca REST API calls, so ideally my test case should be created in the particular folder called test. So I enter it. So it will ask for Windows security, admin rights. So it is loading, creating a test case in your particular folder in the particular workspace. So it will take some time. So if this option comes, the ID, which is particular the test folder ID, unique ID. So if this comes, you make sure that your test case is created in the particular folder. So if I jump to Tosca and make sure that after accessing the workspaces to Tosca REST API, you should wait for 2 minutes to switching between the actual UI of the workspace and with the help of Tosca REST API. So I opened it, Tosca Commander. So I will wait for a couple of minutes and then I will open the workspace and show you where the test case is created with the help of Tosca REST API calls. So here, as you can see, the workspace is locked by another process. So wait on unlock, maximum minute is 2 minutes. So I retry it. So it opens. As you can see, I created a folder called test. Beneath that, I created a test case with the help of Tosca REST API calls. So this is how you can create your test case with the help of Tosca REST API calls and perform basic operations like fetching all the workspaces created till date, fetching the meta info of the workspace, performing a task, creating an object. So this is how you can perform basic operation with the help of Tosca REST API calls. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much.
Are you new to using Tricentis Tosca? We've got the perfect course to get you started automating your own test cases and bringing you up to speed. Automation Specialist Level 1 is a 3-day online course where you'll learn the basics of automation using Tricentis Tosca, including how to create and automate your own test cases, ensuring stability and lowering maintenance. Once you have completed the course, you will be a certified automation specialist. For more information on our core trainings and special topic trainings, visit tricentis.com/academy.